Since my last video, I colored in all of the pumpkins to show that there are highlights and there are shades around the bottom. Now I'm going to show you how to make the different shadows from the light of the moon. So when you make the shadow, you have to make sure that it lines up with the moonlight. So for example, this pumpkin, if my moon is right here, the light is going to hit it here, and that means the shadow has to go back this way. So what I'm going to do is from the bottom of the pumpkin, I'm going to sort of draw a curved circle here and make sure that my shadow goes away from my pumpkin in that direction. Once I have that, I can color it in, making sure that the darkest part of the shadow is closest to the pumpkin. I can even make it a little bit longer if I want to, like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing with my other pumpkins. So for these pumpkins, for example, the moon is over here, so the light is going to come hit it sideways. So when I do this shadow, then I'm looking at the part of the pumpkin that touches the ground, and the little circle for that has to start this way, but it goes this way away from the pumpkin, and it should be a little bit longer. So it looks almost like my shadow goes sideways there. And it's going to be the same thing with this pumpkin. The moonlight is going to hit it going this way. So my shadow is sort of almost behind it, almost on the side right here. Same thing with these pumpkins down here. I have to consider which direction the moon is going to hit it. So if the light is up here, then it comes diagonally down, and I know that my shadow should go this way. So I'm going to make sure that from the bottom of my pumpkin, I have this little circle that sort of goes even off the page. It's okay if it doesn't stay on the page. So I'm going to show that one. And I'm just going to finish up these little shadows here.